Topic is phonic sounds. K, k. Which sound? Which letters? K and k. In the last video, we'll learn about phonic sounds. Make a sound, make a ow sound. Now today we learn about k and k. When we write the small letters k and k, then we make k sound. Which sound? K sound. Small letters k sound. These are the words or the examples of k sound. When we write k and k together, then we make k sound. Which sound? K sound. For example, k, kick. Not kick. No, make k sound. We learn when the write together, then we make k sound. Kick. Black. Back. Neck. Pack. Take. Pick. Quick. Truck. Luck. Duck. Clock. Brick. Stick. Block. Track. Attack. Shock and sock. Repeat again. When we write k and k together, then we make k sound. Which sound? K sound. Kick, black, back, neck, pack, tick, pick, quick, truck, luck, duck, clock, brick, stick, block, track, attack, shock and sock. Now we learn about another sound. The other sound is a, make a o sound. When we write the small letters a, then we make o sound. Which sound? A sound. First, when in the last video we learn about when we write a, then we make a sound. And now when we write a, make a o sound. Which sound? O sound. These are the words are the examples of o sound. Which sound? O sound. For example, goat, boat, coat, road, toast. We can see that when we see make a o sound, it's not we read like that. Go at goat. No. Goat, boat, coat, road, toast, float, load, oak, loaf, soap, coach, roast, toad, goal, coal, soak and form. Okay, repeat again these words: goat, boat, coat, road, toast, float, road, coke, load, oak, loaf, soap, coach, roast, toad, goal, coal, soap, foam. Thanks for watching.